this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity coming at you with another motovlog. And right now I'm doing a motovlog while I'm doing deliveries because I'm still doing research as to whether or not this is a good idea or not. And I'm pretty much formed my opinions on the matter so far. But that's not what this is about. I just have some free time. I decided to do some deliveries and started doing motovlog. So I made all the cool t-shirts. They're on the website. They're cool. They're actually selling really well. So for all of those that have a t-shirt, that's awesome. Keep them around because I'm going to use them in a competition later on that involves merch from the channel. And then I also got the key tags. Key tags aren't selling as fast, but they didn't sell fast last time. It took me a whole year to sell like all of them last time, and I gave away like half of them. Really all I'm looking forward is to pay for how much they cost in sales, and then after that I will start giving them away, like when we go to meets and stuff like that. So if you saw the video with the ruckus, I put that I forgot to mention it in the video, but it's my brother's wheels off the brother ruckus that I got off of there. So that's what it is. I don't want you to think excuse me, you got corona, that I got them used or bought them somewhere. They're literally on loan until, wow, water. So this is a good thing about still having the ducktail on the Zuma, the big old fin in the back. Nothing splashes on me. But yeah, so it's on. Lee put the bike down and the front disc isn't rubbing, so really all we have to do is just lock down the rest of the parts, kind of give it a little bit of a test roll around locally around there, because I don't want to just start, I just don't want to put it on and trust that it'll make it, you know, 20 miles to my house, and then we could be good from there. So yeah, that's where we're at with the ruckus. And believe me, I want the ruckus home just as much as you guys do, so I can start doing content on it. I'm already imagining the projects and things that I want to do to it, because it seems like the only project I have left. Okay, I forgot also, I bought an exhaust pipe for this bike, but it's a universal, so I have to have it welded together. So I'm gonna have my brother help me tack weld it, I guess. And then after it's tack welded, oh my gosh, can I fit through there? After it's tack, okay, you're gonna turn right? Come on, turn right. No, you're not. You just moved up, so now I can't go to your left and cut you in front of you. Once it's tack welded, then I'll put it on, and hopefully we get a cool new sound out of it. So yeah, if you watched the live stream, you probably saw that I had that there. It has been raining in the afternoon after work, so I really haven't had a chance to record anything. So this weekend may be a little bit thin, but that's okay. I'd also like to announce that if everyone remembers Master Blaster / Brad, who's done, he has the red Ruckus and the red SV650. He's done a couple of videos for me, and he decided to split and make a channel. And, you know, he's gonna put content on both. He says he likes making stuff for our viewers, or you guys, and wants to see if he can build his own audience at the same time. So yeah, that's pretty cool. But what was I gonna say? Oh my gosh, I forgot. So yeah, he made his own channel. I'll put a link in the description below, what he is doing with his channel. It's pretty much SV650 stuff and 50cc Ruckus. He's not going to go get, so for now, whenever we work on get projects, we're going to put it on his channel, since everyone hates me now because I put a GY6 on my bike. So there's that. Exhaust, new channel, making a deliver. Oh, I've delivered for this guy before. This is the guy that I delivered for, and he didn't tip me. And it was a horrible. That was a horrible day in delivery. I think I made $10 the whole day, for the whole afternoon. I'm kind of glad that I didn't really ride that much that day, because then I might have quit. Because I've ridden and done deliveries since then, and I've had $40 days in like an hour and a half, 2 hours. So it's pretty amazing. Unfortunately, this guy's like super far away from my house, and they pay you like 50 cents a mile. Yay, but like the item he ordered isn't that expensive, so even if he did tip, it wouldn't be that much. So I think this is also the one where you have to take a picture. Yeah, wave at me, dude. I'm on 2 wheels just like you. Wave at me. So that's really all I really wanted to cover. Looking forward to a weekend of some more recording and getting some content done, and I need to finish taking apart some more parts of the Brother Records. Oh yeah, the SV6, the 650R, Ninja 650R that I showed you a long time ago, and we took it apart. We got it all powder coated. We finally got that rear bearing off, and we're gonna put it, and we're taking it to the powder coater tomorrow, and then hopefully we'll have a rolling chassis fairly soon on that bike. Maybe even startable and stuff. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. We're gonna make it orange and black and kind of turn it into a small engine velocity theme bike. I think it'd be awesome. But anyways, I'm gonna finish making this delivery. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really want to get out and make some more videos. You know what I haven't done in a long time is a group ride, so I need to get on a group ride. I really haven't ridden with anyone. This Corona stuff is kind of turning me into a hermit. I need to get myself back out there again. But anyways, I don't need to remind everybody, but I'm going to anyway. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see everybody in the next video.